Here's a great book to read with your kids about poetry and look at some beautiful natural pictures. It's by National Geographic and it's Book of Animal Poetry. Time for a real page turner. Book of Animal Poetry. Let's look inside. Ooh, so they have it all broken into sections. Look at that guy. Oh my gosh. The photos in here are just so great. All right. Welcome to the world. The big ones. The little ones. The winged ones. The water ones. The strange ones. The noisy ones. And the quiet ones. At the top it has a little image that will show you what section you're in. It's great how the photos just really grab you in, and then the poems are short. So many of them are silly. My boys and I were reading through and laughing and looking at the pictures. It's just such a great one to sit down and really enjoy. The eel. I don't mind eels, except as meals, and the way they feels, by Ogden Nash. Oh goodness. So, such a great one. This could be a great gift too. And then in the back, they have these other resources here where it would help a child or anyone on how to write a poem. So it has different types of poems and how you would make that happen. That could be a great exercise to do. And then they also have some other resources here of different types of children's books on wordplay and poetry. Just an all-around great book. Also in the back, to be able to find in the index, they have it by title, they have it by poet, they have it by the first line, they have it by the subject. So many ways to look up different poems that are in here. Real life is messy and beautiful and better with books. The noisy ones, the quiet ones. I've got a noisy water drinking one right now. And here it talks about writing poems. Oh, real life is loud, messy, and beautiful.